Which of the following sets are equal? Which of the following sets are equal? So first one is A is equal to X is a letter in the word follow, FOLLOW, and next one is flow, FLOW, and next one is wolf, WOLF. We can write this as a roster form solution. A is equal to set of F comma O comma L comma W, and then B is equal to, so in roster form only we have taken once, those who are repeated. Okay, who means what is the elements? Next, second one is FLOW, only single ones, F comma L comma O comma W, no repeated here, that's why we have taken all. And C, wolf, WOLF, here also not repeated, or we have taken W comma O comma L comma F. You see all sets FOLW. So you can rewrite this as in order. Order is not important, but for our understanding, FOLW. That is equal to F comma O comma L comma W. That is equal to F comma O comma L comma W. You see all sets are equal. All sets are equal. Next, second question. Look at our textbook solve. Second question. Consider the following sets and fill up the blank in the statement given below, which equal to or not equal to. So as to make the statement true. Understood? Here, ఇక్కడ కొన్ని స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. A and B sets are given. వాటిలో ఈక్వల్ కాదా అని కింద మనము రైట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది, ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ లో ఫిల్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో ఒకసారి చూడండి, సెట్ ఏలో A is equal to 1 to 3, B is equal to first 3 natural number. First 3 natural number means 1 to 3. 1 to 3. So and then C are given, D is given, E is given, and F is equal to set of vowels in equal alphabet, English alphabet. Set of vowels. Vowels we know that A, E, I, O, U. 5 are there. Okay. And see, first question, A is equal to A and B. So here 1 to 3 is there. First two natural numbers also B. 1 to 3. First 3 natural number 1 to 3. So here 1 to 3. A and B are equal or not equal? Equal. And so then A and E. Look at E, set A and E. Both are equal, amma. A is 1 to 3 is there, and E, A, E, I, O is U. A, E, I, O, U. Both equal or not equal? Not equal. And C and D. Look, C, set C and set D. C, A, B, C, D is there, and D, D, C, A, B is there. Equal or not equal? Equal. Both are A, B, C, D is there. And then set D and F. Look at D and F. In D, what are there? D, C, A, B. And F, what is there? Set of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Not equal. That's it. That's why you can complete that work. And next one is, in each of the following state, whether A is equal to B or not. Same, this is also equal or not equal. Set A, A, B, C, D. Set B, D, C, A, B. Equal or not equal? A and B. A and B equal or not equal? A, B, C, D, D, C, A, B. Both are equal or not? Equal or not? D, C, A, B means A comma D, B comma C comma D. Okay, order is not important. In roster form, in the sets, order is not important. You can keep in mind. Next, like that, you can see, look at equal or not equal, you can write at the form. Then, state the reasons for the following. State the reasons for the following. Here I can tell you. Okay, see now. State reasons for the following. We need to find reasons here. Here, 1 to set 1 to 3 and so on up to 10. Up to 10. X is to X belongs to N and 1 less than X and less than 10. Okay. So here not equal to mention చేశారు. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ కాదు. ఎందుకు కాదు అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 నుంచి 10 వరకు ఉన్నాయి. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే 1 less than X అంటే 1 కంటే less than 1 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. 1 less than x ante 1 less than x that is equal to x is greater than 1. 1 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి 10 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఏముండాలన్నా more than 1 and less than 10. But what is here? 1 ఉంది 10 ఉంది 1 ఉంది 10 ఉంది. ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఏమి 1 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి 10 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి. 1 10 ఉండకూడదు. అంటే ఏముండాలి 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 వరకు ఉండాలి. కానీ 1 ఉంది 10 ఉంది కాబట్టి these are not equal. There is a kind of okay. In LHS in LHS 1 and 10 1 and 10 but in RHS is having greater than 1 right greater than GREA PERTHA yeah greater than 1 and less than 10 right less than 10. Next question. Here also not equal. Why? Because x is equal to 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 you take 2. In n place you take any one, you get the result 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3. It is the odd number. But it is given only even numbers. Okay. So note down. In LHS, even numbers or even integers, whatever it may be. Even integers are given. Even integers or even number, whatever it may be, are given. But in RHS, you know that. But in RHS, odd definition is given. Odd definition is given. That is 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 is odd definition. 2n plus 1 is odd definition. Next question. Here cinema 5 15 30 45. X is multiple of 15. X is multiple of 15. So you can find what is the difference here. Anybody find out difference? X is multiple of 15. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు నాట్ ఈక్వల్ ఎనీబడి 5 is not multiple. Yes sir. ఇక్కడ 5 అనేది 15 కి మల్టిపుల్ కాదు. Yes sir. ఏమా ఇక్కడ 5 అనేది 15 కి మల్టిపుల్ కాదు అన్నమాట. ఓకే రైట్. 5 is not multiple. In RHS x is a multiple of 15. X is a multiple of 15. In RHS, x is multiple of 15. Multiple of 15. But in RHS, 5 is exist. 5 is exist. EXIST. 5 is exist. Same. Next question also. What is the difference here? Here of the 5 numbers are given. But what is here? Find out difference. 9 is not a prime number, right? So that's why you can write down in LHS. Nine is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. Leave it, not a problem. Okay. Next question. List all the subsets of the following sets. List all the subsets of the following sets. So what is first question? P comma Q. B is equal to P comma Q. Set of P comma Q. We need to write subsets. All subsets. Already we know we have found it before question. One question is there. What are the, how many subsets are there? How many subsets are there? Then 4 elements are given. 4 elements are given. Other time we are telling node. What type of node? Number of elements is equal to 2 power n. n. Subsets for a set. There are a number of subset for a set which is having n elements. Which is having n elements is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n. 2 power n. So here how many elements are there? 2 elements are there. 2 elements means how many subsets are?
2 power.
Number of subsets. Number of subsets. Tell me how many subsets? 2 power n is equal to 2 power 2 is equal to 4. Now we need to write subsets. All subsets. All subsets is equal to, tell me Nana, P, comma, set of Q, next, Q, next, P comma, Q, next, Q comma, P, P comma Q and Q comma P. How many subsets are there?
4.
4 subsets. Like that. Next question. C is equal to set of x comma y comma z. How many elements are there here? 3. And how many we get here? 3 square. 3 square means 9. Not with me boys. X all subset x comma
y subset
subset y
comma subset z subset xy subset yz subset zx
zx
అంతే అదే xy z
so xy yz zx next x comma y comma z x comma y comma z
comma y comma x
y comma
z comma x z comma y comma x
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
9 right
we need to get how many 9 8 to 1 more
you right sir z comma y comma x
z comma y comma
x
like that it will complete remaining questions.
Sometimes that's it.
Yes, sir. PQ, QP, PQ, QP. Both are equals, not repeated. It is pi. It is pi z, empty z. Okay. Then here also, where it is x, y, z, x, y, y, z, zx, x, y, z, x, y, z, y, zx, and z, y, x. How many are there? 4, 5, 6, 7,
Last one will be 5.
Yes, here how many?
2 power cube would have been 8.
2 cubed is equal to 8. 8. Last 5. 8 है ना?
Sir, I think it will 900.
Right. 8 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 2 cubed. Number of elements 3. So 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Next 4 means 2 power 4 means 16.